Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get all skins in Invision Web Verse. First, let's explore the various categories of skins you can find, from common to ultra-rare. We'll then dive into the main ways to acquire them, whether through gameplay, events, or purchases. Finally, I'll guide you on how to efficiently manage and monitor your growing collection. This comprehensive guide will help you unlock every cosmetic item. Many skins can be earned simply by playing the game and completing various objectives. Focus on daily and weekly challenges, as these often reward exclusive items. Don't forget to engage with special seasonal events, which frequently offer unique, time-limited skins that you won't find anywhere else. Reaching specific in-game milestones can also grant you special cosmetic unlocks, so keep an eye on your progress. For those looking to expand their collection quickly, purchasing skins is a straightforward option. The in-game store regularly features new items and bundles, often at a good value. Additionally, many platforms have community marketplaces where players can trade or buy skins from each other, sometimes finding very rare items. Always check for special promotions or discounts to get the most out of your virtual currency. To truly get all skins, staying informed is key. Follow official announcements for new releases and event schedules. Prioritize participating in time-limited events, as these skins are often exclusive and may not return. Make sure to use any in-game tools or third-party resources to track your collection, ensuring you don't miss any opportunities. With a strategic approach, you'll complete your Invision Web Verse skin collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.